वा मिथो विपद्येत गृहभृतानां उदांत गोभी विजतांग नक्षुम्य उदांत गोभी विजतांग समिश्रम पुनः पुनश्चर वितचर बना पुनः पुनश्चर वितचर बनाना getting life after life and enjoying sense, the same eating, the same sleeping, the same sexual intercourse, the same defense, either as dog or as man or as bird or beast. This is called Puna Charvita Charva. These four things are available. Either you become a dog or a god. Not God, the demigod. In the material world, everyone is given the facilities for eating, sleeping, sexual intercourse, and defense. Now if some dangers come, so we may be victim, but a bird immediately goes. He has better defense, is it not? If some dangers come immediately, suppose all of a sudden a motor car comes and kills us. We cannot do anything. But the bird, small bird, you can defend. Is it not?
Yeah.
So his defensive measure is better than us. Similarly, I want to have sex. I have to arrange for that, find out some. But the female bird is always around me. At any time. The sparrow, the pigeon. You have seen it? Immediately ready for sex life. And eating. There is some fruit, immediately he can eat. And sleeping, that is also very comfortable. So, these facilities, don't think that it is available on the skyscraper building. They are available for the birds and the beasts. It is not that unless you have got a very nice apartment in the skyscraper building, you cannot have all these facilities of eating, sleeping and sex life. Anyway, Vishaya Khalu Sarvatasya. This is called Vishaya. Vishaya means the facilities for sense enjoyment. That is called Vishaya. Our process is Vishaya Chariya, Sera Srimadi. One has to give up this Vishaya and relish the transcendental bliss. It is a different platform. And these persons, bodily concept of life, their only enjoyment is this Vishaya. So Shastra says that you are after Vishaya, this is available in any life. Why you are repeating this Vishaya in different forms of life? Either as bird or beast or tree or human being, or cats and dogs. Puna charvita. Again and again, the same in different forms. So, those who are interested with this Vishaya, Matinna Krishna, Parato Sato, they cannot become Krishna conscious. Parato, by instruction of spiritual master or experienced person, or by themselves. themselves they cannot, even by instruction, by the spiritual master or higher authority, parato, sato, personally or by others instruction. Mati na Krishna, they cannot become Krishna conscious. Mitho vipaddheta, mitho, or by conference, considering, making a meeting, what is the problem of life. They cannot take to Krishna consciousness. Why? Grihabhritana. So long they have got this determination, we shall be happy in this material. They cannot. Grihabhritana. Griha means home, and griha means this body also. Those who are trying to be happy within this body, material world, they cannot take to Krishna consciousness. Matinna Krishni parato satova nithova abhipaddhiti abhipaddhita grihabhritana. Why? They cannot adanta gobhi. Their senses are so uncontrolled. Therefore they must undergo the process of punah punah charivita charivana. Again and again the same visa. Eating, sleeping, mating.
So our business is to convince them that they can't be happy in the material world?
Yes, that they have got experience. Therefore daily they are forming so many parties, manufacturing so many means and plans and this and that. But they are not. But they are so full, great fool, that in spite of being repeatedly baffled, still punah punah, the same thing, under different form. What is the difference between this rascal communist or capitalist? After all, they are animals. How they can make things better arrangement? That is not possible. The only thing, this man will say, exploit others, other man shall give food to the others. What is there? Give food to the others or exploit others, the same animal propensities. Where is the advancement? The capitalists are thinking, exploit others. The same thing like animals. This dog, as soon as he saw the shadow of his own body with the food, he thought that, let me capture that food. This is exploitation. And another says, no, first of all give food. So they are fighting like this. Everyone's aim is that we shall remain within this material world and happy. Therefore, grihabhritana.
If we can get enough to eat and sex, we'll be happy.
Yes, sir. And then they become important. Go to the doctor. Give me sex medicine. Punah punah charvita charvana. The same thing. Not at home, sex, but let us go to the prostitute, go to the naked dance. They have no other idea. Punah punah charvita charvana. These class of men cannot take this. First of all, one must be in knowledge that I am not anything of this material world, I am spirit soul, my happiness is in the spiritual world. Then he can.
A class of person, a class of...
Huh?
Some people say that what makes us different from the animals is that we can enjoy art and we can enjoy music and we can enjoy all type of art. And
That is The animal, the snake also can enjoy music. You know that? Yeah. You play very nice music, a snake will be charmed, he will stand. It will not attack you. Similarly, the deers, the hunter, they play very nice music and they assemble here and they fight and kill them.
The birds are also making their music.
No, that is another thing. But these deer and the snakes and many animals, they are very much fond of music. They enjoy. Matinna Krishne Padato Sato Amito Vitadita Vitapita Adanta Govi Visadanta Misam Puna Puna Char Vitachar. Next question is how one can become interested in spirit, soul, or Krishna consciousness. How? This is the position they cannot. The next proposal is how they can be. Naishangamatistavadurukramangling Spisattanarthopajad jadupogamam Niskinchanarang Padarajo Visekam Naishangamatistavadurukramangling Spisattanarthopo jadatpogamam Mahiyasana Padarajo Niskanchana Naishangamati Esang of these rascals and fools, Mati, consciousness cannot be turned. Naishangamati Gurukramangling towards the lotus feet of Lord Krishna. Gurukrama. Gurukrama means one who acts very wonderfully. And he is lotus feet. So, Naishangamatistavat Gurukrama. Their attention cannot be converted or turned towards the lotus feet of Krishna, who acts very wonderfully. Anartha upagamam, and all this misconception of life becomes vanquished. How can it? So long one does not touch his head to the dust of a devotee of the Lord, who is Niskinchan, who has nothing to do with this material world. That devotee is simply interested in Krishna. If one has got the opportunity of touching his head to the lotus feet, to the dust of the lotus feet of such a great devotee, then it is possible. Otherwise, Niskinchana. Mahiyasanga padarajo vise. Mahiyasanga, such glorified devotee, dust of the lotus feet can help him. That's all. Shattanarthopa
the pure devotee gives the chance to everyone,
Yeah.
but only a few approach. So still the question is, how can they become interested in the pure devotee?
No, this is that you do it. If they do not do it, then this declaration is there. That if you do this, then you can be interested. And if you do not, then you go on with your own business. Similar, same thing is Krishna. Sarvadharman mamekam. Krishna is demanding that you do it. Surrender. Shastra also says, surrender unto the representative of Krishna, Mahiyasa. But if they do not do it, what can be done? They see this sparrow, the sex is always accompanied. Anytime, ready. The pigeons, anytime, ready. Vishaya khalu sarvata shah. That is the only attachment for this material world. Vishaya. Whole world is fighting for this Vishaya. I must have nice eating, I must have nice sleeping, I must have very good sex, and I should be defended by bank balance, by military soldiers, by police force, by atomic weapons. This is depends. And Rascal does not understand that in spite of all these things I will have to change the body. And the same thing will be available in a different way. This intoxication, cigarettes, the ant, the small ant, they are very fond of intoxication. You know that? As soon as there is information on the top of the skyscraper building, there is a grain of sugar, they'll go. Because sugar contains intoxication. The wine is made from sugar, molasses. It has got the intoxication. You keep a grain of sugar there, and there will be hundreds and thousands.
Yeah. True.
Gold rush. Study. You see, what is the difference of this civilization and the ant civilization, dog civilization, cat civilization? No difference. It is in simply formation.
Yes, I've seen sometimes at Sunday feast when he makes some sweets, like sweet balls, and there's some left over. You'll find the next day so many drowned ants because they've been so mad they'll jump into it and drown themselves.
So, Shastra says, Labdha sudullamamidam bahusammama. My dear human being, please note, you have got this form of life after many, many births. Bahusammamante. You have to undergo the aquatic life, 900,000 species. The birds, trees and plants, 2 million. How much time it has gone by for this evolution. Now we have come to the human form. Labdhyasa dullabhamidam bahusambhava manusyam. This is human form. Arthadam. Now we can achieve success. Although it is temporary, but you can achieve the highest perfection of life. Therefore, turnam jateta, anumittu padeva. Before next death, you be very dexterous to complete the success. And if you think then, what about my sense enjoyment? Visaya khalu sarvasa. It will be available in any life. This life is spent for this purpose. Don't waste simply for Visaya. Visaya khalu sarvatasya. This will get, even if you become cat and dog. But in the cat and dogs, I will not get this opportunity. How to get out of this material existence?
You should turn down.
These are the instructions of our heart. These rascals have no education to understand. Therefore, we must give this education, we must induce them to read this book in school, colleges. That is propaganda. Now you have good books. These rascals, they have no books to read about this realization. They have out only Freud's philosophy and this, what is that? And Darwin's theory, and all rascal. Simply rascal. Let them read these books. This philosopher, that philosopher. What is that? Puna puna charvita charvanana. The same philosopher. Repeatedly, persons get to be. That's all. That rascal Mahesh Yogi, he also says that you take this special mantra, your material enjoyment will be easier. Same, the Puna Puna Chai. He has no other information. It will be better. And they are accept. My enjoyment will be better. Like, take $35. Give me that mantra. They like it because they are promising that we will get this. Politicians also, they are promising, you take this ism, your sense gratification will be easier. The same promise. This ism or that ism, this yogi, that yogi. But nobody knows what is actually happiness. Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Hare Ram. Nati Vidu Sāsvatatim Vishnu Durāsayādi Vahira. They are trying to be happy by sense enjoyment. Material bodies enjoy. Durāsaya. It is simply a hope which will never be fulfilled. Durasa. Asaya means hope. And dura means very difficult. It is not possible. And they are being led by such rascal leaders who are promising sense gratification. Because they are blind, another blind man comes and says that you'll be happy in this way. Come on, this way your sense gratification will be very much easily satisfied. Come on. Yes, very good leader. They forget that they are bound up by the stringent laws of nature. There is no freedom. Only a variety is of sense enjoyment is offered because he wants. Actually, that is not enjoyment. That is bound up. Nature, if you enjoy more sex life, nature's our life will become important for 10 years. And still he wants to enjoy. Little this way, that way, immediately punishment. You have eaten more, 3 days supper, no diet, no food, supper dysentery. And they are enjoying. What is enjoying? As soon as violate a little of the nature's law, you are immediately punished. There is nothing. Ishatantra vadhya. Ishatantra, the laws of nature, they are so much bound up, hands and legs. Still they are declaring freedom. What is the freedom? Immediately you will be kicked by shoes as soon as you violate a little. Immediate. There is ocean of salt. Now we require salt for making our food stuff very tasty. But if you take little more salt, you cannot eat. No, you cannot. If you think, oh, so much salt, let me put more salt, more salt. It will be easy. You can take only so much quantity, that's all. In this way you are bound up, always. And still we are declaring freedom. What freedom? What is the meaning of this freedom? But they are fools, they cannot understand.
Then Krishna consciousness the right quantity of salt.
Yes, Krishna consciousness is giving you everything in the right way, so that you can save your time. You do not waste your time, and you can advance in Krishna consciousness. That is the point. We don't say that you stop eating. Yes, you eat. Take little Krishna prasad. We don't say that don't sleep. No, you sleep. But must rise early in the morning for Mangalarti. This is our thing. Eating, sleeping, and sex. No, we don't say no sex life. Yes, you have sex life. Get your bona fide wife, live peacefully. And defense also. You never say that you forgo all these things. No, this is not our way. But similarly, as much as you absolutely require, not more than that. The balance time, save for advancement. These people are simply engaged for eating, sleeping, mating. They have no time for Krishna consciousness. This condemned civilization must be stopped. Killing civilization. The human being got the opportunity of getting out of this puna charvita charvana repeatedly, and they are not being given the chance. They are being engaged more and more for sense gratification. Killing civilization. Jnana tapasa. Bahavo jnana tapasa puta madhava bhagavata. By this process, bahava, many, by knowledge and tapasa, puta, purified, came back to home. Bahavo Gyana Tapusa, Bhuta Madbhamo Agata. Vitaraga Bhaya Krodha. Manmaya Mad Upasita. Bahavo Gyana Tapusa, Bhuta Mam. What is that? Last one.
Madhbhavam agata.
Madhbhavam Agata. Madhbhavam, my nature. My nature means spiritual nature. Krishna is spirit. Or the another nature, this is material nature, this is another nature. That is kingdom of God, spiritual nature. Vaikuntha planet. Agata. They came. Every information is there, every opportunity is there. Simply, they are not educated. Therefore, the Krishna consciousness movement is meant for educating these rascals. They are mad after sense gratification. Nunang pramatta. Mad. This is from the morning. As soon as they rise, give me a cup of tea. Immediately I have to go to there and there. What will do there? Yes, I'll die. I'll die in a motor accident. They are waiting for me. All right, go. Nunang pramatta kurute bikarma. All kinds of forbidden works they are doing. What is the purpose? Nunang pramatta kurute bikarma. Just indriya prita. Purpose is only sensuality. The rascal does not know that I am doing all these sinful activities for sense gratification, and I will have to accept a very low-grade body that he does not know. He has already got one low-grade body, he is suffering only. And he will still get another low-grade body, more suffering, that he does not know. But he still will do everything perfectly. Nunang pramatta kurute vikarma jadidriya pritaya aptunam. Nasadhuman. It is not good. Nasadhuman. Jatumatmanaya. This kind of activities will cover your soul by body. Well, this body is temporary, don't buy. There is another body, rascal. This body is temporary, but you get another body, most of them. Why you are doing like this? Asannapi, although it is body is temporary, but why don't you understand that it is klesada? It is always subjected to miserable condition of material life. Klesada. This is klesada, another body you get klesada, any body you get klesada. Why do you get this? Stop these activities. This is Krishna. That they do not know. Da means that gives. Any type of material body except is replacement. They have constructed this building. If for few hours there is severe cold, so many people will die even in these comfortable buildings. Is it not? So klesada is there. Either you remain in this way or that way. That sufferings will be there. And to take this comfort of this high building, how much klesha, how much miserable condition one has to pass. He said, I'm not doing, the workers are doing. But you have to collect the money to pay them. How much miserable it is to acquire this money, to pay another klesha, laborer. They are captivated by money. Otherwise it is klesha. Sometimes they fall down and die while constructing, is it not? Now I have heard that in New York there are many buildings, there is no tenant. Klesha, the proprietor of the house, he is also suffering. Oh, I have spent so much money, no tenant. In London I have seen, there is, for the last 6 or 7 years, very big building, it is vacant.
Tottenham Court Road.
Huh?
Yes, that big one. Center Point.
His klesha is, if he keeps tenant, that is more miserable than without keeping tenant, is it not? That way he keeps without, but so much taxes he will have to be paid that it will be more miserable than keeping tenant. So he is avoiding. So while constructing, it was troublesome. Now keeping this, it is also troublesome. To find out pleasure, they have manufactured so many things. But still, they cannot enjoy it. For a few minutes, they can enjoy again. This is nonsense. Let us go ahead.
That I will actually can become a bird or a dog, because you say I will
What are these? Where from these dogs and birds are coming? Let them answer. Where from they are coming?
Well, they would say from other birds and dogs.
Huh?
From other birds and dogs.
Yes, other
They
bird
don't-
or this bird. Where from they are coming?
But that's not my condition. I'm a human being.
That you may think, but you do not know the nature's law. You have to accept. It's like this apartment. Either you accept or somebody accepts. Similarly, these bodies are apartment. You have to accept or your brother has to accept. Somebody must accept. They are also living entities. Where from they are coming? As I am living entity, they are also living entity. So, changing body, I may change to that body, he may change to this body. Where is the and reasonableness. We are all living entities. These are different types of bodies. So we have to accept somebody. Similarly, he has to accept somebody. So he may accept my body, I may accept his body. This apartment change. I may go to this apartment, he may go to another apartment. But there are so many apartments, griha, therefore it's called griha medi. If you say, no, I'm not going to accept that apartment. No, it is not your judgment. Devanetrena. What money you have got, sir, to occupy? No, I have no money. Unlike then, go this apartment. You must accept. Karmana devanetrena. By your work it will be ascertained what kind of apartment you get. It is not upon your decision. There are so many rascals, this thing, that after getting human body, he is never degraded. The theosophy is thing like that. But that is very palatable. But nature will force him to accept the body of a cat and dog. That is not your decision. Daivanatra, the superior decision. Just in the office, to get promotion or degradation, that is not your decision. That is the decision of the higher directors. You cannot say that, no, I am not going to accept this food. No, you have to accept. Karanam guna sanghasya, sadasat janma juni. These different types of births are due to your association with different types of the modes of material nature. Otherwise, why there are so many varieties? One has become crow, one has become sparrow, one has become human being, one has become dog, one has become cat, one has become tree, one has become grass. But nature is so expert that in spite of different varieties of life, the nature assembles them in such a nice way that it looks beautiful. There is grass, there is tree, there is sparrow, there is human being, but arrangement is